Hey all, this is Lindsay T, Lady Engineer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about the feeling that startups are risky, are inherently risky. Before I get into it, please like and subscribe. It gets the word out about these answers I'm providing to the most popular startup questions. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, so startups do feel risky. I'm not going to deny that. But a lot of the times I see when founders are feeling anxiety in their chest, they are questioning whether they should take the leap this way or that way. They're actually guessing, and guessing can make everything feel a lot more risky. And what can we do when we are guessing? To eliminate the guesswork, you need to talk to your customers. Now, the next thing I hear people say is, what do you mean talk to my customers? I've talked to my customers. Or I don't have any customers. So first and foremost, talk to your customers means figuring out who your audience is, whether it's prospective customers or existing customers, your ideal kind of target persona or target market, and doing interviews with them. Not just talking and showing them your solution, but actually spending more time listening to what they need and what they want from a solution that solves the problem that you are solving. So to eliminate the guesswork, go talk to your customers. Go ask them questions. If you have questions about whether you should pivot this way or that way, do the interviews necessary. Interview the people that might like your software as is. Interview the people that you think might like the software if you make changes. Spend more time asking questions than showing off your idea. Get those really deep customer insights so that you can make an intelligent decision. So the next time you're feeling, God, this is really risky, this decision is causing me a lot of anxiety, eliminate that guesswork, go talk to your customers, do the customer research necessary to get actual answers so you can feel more confident about your next steps. All right, guys, that's Lindsay T. I'm Lindsay T, Lady Engineer. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. You can find answers to the most popular startup questions on this channel. So please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one.